Hey, Anthony here with another lesson from the Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory series. In this video, I'll cover Unit 6, Lesson 23. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. There is an index with links in the description so you can easily find the lessons you need. I highly recommend that you own a copy of this book and you're only watching this video to check your work, review, or because you got really stuck on something. Okay, let's get right into it. Today we're talking about sharps. If you've already done lesson 22, this is basically identical to lesson 22, except we're dealing with sharps. Okay, so here we go. The sharp sign before a note raises the pitch of that note. Remember, flats lower the pitch. On a keyboard, play the next key to the right, whether black or white. Okay, so if a C is sharp, you play the note to the right, which would be this black key, making it sharp. If this G is sharped, you would play the note to the right, which is right there, that black key. Now note it says whether black or white, right? So there's a couple special situations, as I mentioned in the previous lesson as well. If E were to be sharped, that would just go up to this F right here. So E sharp would be the same as F. Bonus points if you know what that means. We'll get into that in another lesson. Letter B, B, if it were to be sharped, would just go up to this C. Okay. When speaking of sharped notes, the word sharp comes after the letter name, as in C sharp. However, in written music, the sharp sign comes before the note. So the sharp's before the note, but you wouldn't say sharp C, you say C sharp. That's just how it is. To draw a sharp sign, first draw two vertical lines, then add the heavier slanting lines. Some of you might be thinking, oh my gosh, it's a hashtag. Yes, that's basically what a sharp looks like. It's a hashtag, but it was way hundreds of years before the hashtag existed. Okay, when a sharp sign is attached to a line note, the sharp is centered on the line, right? So there, see that line goes right through the sharp, boom, boom, boom. If this were treble clef, that would be E, G, B, D, F. And the sharps are also right on going through those lines. So go ahead and add sharp signs to the line notes below. I'm sure you all know how to make a sharp sign or a hashtag sign. 1, 2, 3, 4 pencil marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, when a sharp sign is attached to a space note, the sharp is centered on the space. Okay, so right there, boom, right there, boom, right there, boom. Okay, let's flip it over and get into the exercises. Okay, for number 1, in the example, write sharp signs before each note, then name the notes. So we're in treble clef. So go ahead, and I just like to write all the sharps in first. Just put them all in. It goes nice and quick that way. On the line, on the line, on the space, and on the line. Okay, so here we have an F. F sharp. Just for a refresher, treble clef, your spaces are F-A-C-E, or face, and your lines are every good boy does fine. Okay, or E, G, B, D, F. Oh wait, forget, you gotta have the sharp there, otherwise it doesn't count. C sharp. If you were taking a test and you just wrote G right there, right, and you didn't write the G sharp, you would probably get at least some credit taken off. A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, E sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. Write the names of the piano keys in the boxes. So just like I did on the previous lesson, remember, to the left of the 3-note black key groupings is your F. And to the very left of your 2-note black key groupings is your C. And that, as long as you know those two notes, or even one of those two, if you can remember either one, that to the left of the two black notes is a C, or to the left of the three black keys is an F. That should help you figure out the rest of the keyboard, right? Because then you just go in alphabetical order, starting over when you get to G. So F, G, and that's the end of the musical alphabet. So then you go back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. There you go. And just choose the note that this black arrow here is pointing at. So that's to the right of the F. That's going to be your F sharp. And don't accidentally look at G and think it's G sharp, right? Because remember, sharp's raised, flat's lower. This one right here, you've got a black key, and what's to the left of that note? That's your C. So it's going to be a C sharp. Right here, they want that note. So boom, coming from the G, that's a G sharp. This note right here, look to your left, it's a D sharp. And this note right here, look to your left, that is an A sharp. There we go. Number 3, write a treble clef and the notes indicated on the staff using single eighth notes. Okay, so we're just doing single eighth notes. Boom, boom, there we go. So a single eighth note looks just like that. F, boom, B, boom, D, boom, A, boom, G, boom. We'll use this low E here, and we'll use the C up there. All right, and then just go ahead and drop those sharps right before the note. Some of these, like the E, this E could have been written up there. That F also could have been written up there. All right, let's go ahead and write bass clef. Okay, 1, 2, dot, dot. All right, so C sharp they want, all cows. What does it say? Write bass clef and the notes indicated on the staff using dotted half notes. Ooh, dotted half notes. So they want a C sharp, boom, make sure you get your dot there. A sharp, put your dot there. F, boom. And actually here's, yeah, we got a D there. I'll explain it in a second. Grandma buys dresses for all. That's how I figure out my lines. Is grandma buys dresses for all. That's your lines. So grandma buys dresses. Now here's something I actually just thought of just now, because I was trying to remember, like, oh wait, which way do the stems go? Forgot my dots here. When it's on the middle line, I couldn't remember if it went up or down. But if you're wondering, because the middle line for D, the stem goes down. And if you can't remember, wait, is the middle line, does the stem go up or down? Remember, for bass clef, D is down. And for treble clef, boom, B is below. So there's a little reminder right in the name of the note, whether it goes down for D or below for B. And that way, hopefully, you never put your stem that's on the middle line in the wrong direction. All right, the last one is E. All cows eat grass. And then don't forget to go back and put all your sharps before those notes. And that's it. There you have it. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. Click the links to watch the next lesson or jump ahead to the Unit 6 review. Thank you so much.